What if I told you investing wasn't all about picking shares in the right company and selling at the right time? Today in this video I'm going to show you how proper investing is really simple and easy and doesn't take a lot of time. And in fact there's 3 major benefits if you participate in proper investing. So when it comes to investing, there's basically 2 ways to go about it. Number 1, you can spend a lot of time and energy analysing different companies on the stock market. You can check the prices of these companies on the stock market every day. You can pick a company you like the look of and you want to invest in. You can spend time reading their accounts. And then usually you're buying and selling different companies every day to try and make a quick buck. This type of investing is more trading. There's basically 2 types of problem with this type of investing if you want to be a trader. One, it takes up a huge amount of your time and sucks a lot of energy out of your life when you could be spending this energy doing other things that you enjoy. And 2, it's very, very high risk. A lot of the professionals who spent years learning all this sort of stuff and have vast resources still don't get it right. The problem with investing is we never know what's around the corner. We never know what's going to happen to these companies. So this type of investing is a little bit like gambling. Now, if you want to have a go and you've got a spare bit of money and you're not prepared to put your house on it, then yeah, by all means, try your luck at investing. But it is like gambling. So do think of yourself as perhaps going to a casino and taking a small amount of money. What happens when you go to a casino? You probably go there on the understanding that you're likely to lose all your money, but perhaps you don't mind because you've only taken a small amount of money and it's all about enjoying the experience rather than actually coming home with a big win. Well, this is what you need to think about if you're going to start trading, because it's going to be very similar. You're going to basically be gambling with your money, so don't put too much at risk. So the second way of investing is really for people that don't have the time, inclination or skill to want to analyse different companies and stock markets every day. This is what we call proper simple investing, and it is really easy. All you need to do is have a plan and a goal in mind. Where do you want to be in 10, 20 years time? Once you know where you want to be, you can probably work out how much it's going to cost to get to where you want to be. And now you know the lump sum you need, you can work out the sort of return you need to get. And then once you know the sort of return you need to get, you want to get that investment return taking as little risk as possible, using a well-diversified portfolio of investments that you leave to run and run for 10, 20 years. Because over this long length of time, it's highly likely you'll outperform all those traders and you'll actually get to the destination where you want to get to. So 3 major benefits to proper investing. Number 1, time. It's going to take you less time to set up a proper diversified portfolio and to let it run. You don't need to worry about time, inclination or skill. You'll get to where you want to be and save yourself a load of time so you can spend that time doing things you want to do, whether it's working in your business or having fun with your family. Number 2, less stress. Proper investing, leaving it alone, means you're not going to have to worry about what happens in the stock market. The stock market could crash, it doesn't matter. As long as you have a long-term view with the right mix of investments, you don't have to worry about trading and what's going to happen to each individual companies. So far less stressful. And number 3, you're just as likely or even more likely to achieve your goals through proper long-term investing than you are through trading. So although you may read and hear in the news or see online that these investors that make massive wins by buying the right company at the right time, that does not happen very often, I can tell you. Just leaving your investments alone in a proper portfolio that's designed for your goal in mind will highly likely achieve the results you want. So when it comes to investing, use the boring way to make money.